Good afternoon, students. Chapter number 3, last part of this chapter, working of computer. Today, let's learn about calendar and clock. Chapter pages 24 to 37. Today, learning pages 35 and 36. Student, our topic is Information Technology, Standard 5th. Students, let's go on page number 35. Last video we learned information about calculator and how to do sums. Today let's learn about calendar and clock. Good afternoon, students. See this calendar and clock. Calendar and clock program, available program in accessories. The clock is always present on the right side of taskbar, which displayed the current time. See this current time. See this 13:46. Today's date is 6/12 6 December 2021. So this is the clock and calendar are present all the computer and works it rechargeable batteries, which are always charged by the electric supply provided to the computer, even though the computer is in the off state. This means that both clock and calendar also work in the off state. We can change the date and time by double clicking the time icon on the taskbar. The date and time properties windows open up. See this date and time properties windows open up. We can change, see this, from this year, month and date from this area, left side and right area. Clock we can change from clicking this hours, minutes and seconds, PM, AM also. So we can change date and time properties. See calendar, current month calendar is always displayed in the date and time properties window, but adjust the date, use the drop down menu in the month selector as well as drop down menu of year selector and select any other date of months. So let's see, I am clicking here this, see this change date and time settings. So this is date and time properties, change date and time. Here you can change from this area to month, this area to date and year also, and from time. See this, when you click this area and up arrow and down arrow, you can change your time. So if you change, after change you have to click on OK button. I am pressing just cancel button because I have no required to change daytime time properties. Okay, so I am cancelling here. So see this, to adjust the time, click on the hour or minute you want to change, then automatically AM or PM will also change and it will be displayed in the clocks right here. Click OK button, set new date and times. So this is date and time properties, students. Now you have to write answers. See this, how to open calculator window, page number 34. So where is 34, page number 35, and where is 34, page number, see this, how to open calculator, start all programs, accessories and calculator. Like that you have to solve all questions answers exercise part. Where is the date and time properties, page number 35. What is used displays calculator program window, page number 34. See this, each and every questions answer into it. So exercise and learning part is now completed. Students, I will see you next video with computer lab rules and etiquettes. So okay and bye. I'll see you next chapter.